In the heart of Bangladesh lies a village that seems straight out of a storybook. It's a place where life moves to the rhythm of nature, where every day brings both challenges and blessings. This is the story of that village. Welcome to this incredible place. Imagine a world painted in green. Rolling hills as far as the eye can see, dotted with houses that look like cozy nests. This is our village, nestled between lush green fields that stretch as far as the horizon. Here, life is as natural and unfiltered as the beauty that surrounds it.
Life here revolves around the land.
Every morning, as the golden rays of the sun rise over the endless rice fields, the villagers wake up to a new day. The men, with their strong hands and determined hearts, head toward the fields. Some are plowing the land, preparing it for planting. Others are sowing seeds, each movement a prayer for a bountiful harvest. Then there are those who tend to the fields already heavy with golden crops, ready to be picked. They do it with care, ensuring that each grain is treated with respect, for they know that every grain tells a story of resilience and hope. While the men work in the fields, the women carry on with their Ajald traditions. Inside the homes, the aroma of spices fills the air as they prepare meals to nourish their families. Some women, with nimble fingers, take care of the livestock, while others sit under the shade of a tree, weaving mats or handloom clothes, their laughter echoing through the courtyards like birdsong. Children run barefoot through the dust, their joy as untamed as the wind. They chase each other around banana trees and mango orchards, their laughter mingling with the rustling leaves. As the sun climbs higher in the sky, the heat intensifies, but the spirit of the people does not waver. They work, they laugh, they share stories, and they dream. For these people, life is not just about survival. It's about thriving in harmony with nature. When the sun begins its descent, the scene shifts to the ponds and rivers that shimmer like mirrors in the fading light. Here, another way of life unfolds. Fishermen, with weathered hands and eyes that hold the secrets of the water, cast their nets into the tranquil depths. Their movements are a silent language, a conversation between humans and nature. Sometimes they return with a boat full of fish, their catch glistening in the evening light. Other times they come back with only a handful, but always with a smile on their faces, for they understand the rhythm of the water, the ebb and flow of life. Life in this village is not always easy. There are droughts, floods, and storms that test the strength and unity of its people. But they face these challenges together, drawing strength from their bond in the land they call home. Now let me tell you what makes this village truly beautiful. It's not just the green landscape or the bounty of the fields and ponds. It's the unity that binds the people together. It's the way they support each other through the joys and sorrows of life. In this village, if a family is going through tough times, it's not just that family that suffers. The entire village feels the pain and reaches out to help. If someone falls sick, the neighbors take turns to cook meals and bring them to the doorstep. If a house is damaged in a storm, men from all around gather with bamboo and tin sheets to help rebuild it. No one is left to face their problems alone. Selfishness is a word that has no place in their dictionary. They live with simple dreams, enough rice to eat, fish on their plate, and peace in their hearts. These are the things that matter most to them. During festivals like Eid, the unity becomes even more evident. It's a celebration of joy, of faith, and of coming together. On that day, you'll see the rich and the poor standing side by side, wearing new clothes, praying together, and exchanging gifts of sweets. It doesn't matter if you have a lot or a little. What matters is the spirit of sharing and celebrating life together. The story doesn't end there. I want to tell you about an event that showed the true spirit of this village. One day, a farmer named Rahim faced a great loss. His rice field, which was supposed to be his livelihood, was destroyed by heavy rain. He felt like giving up, thinking he would starve. But when the villagers heard about his misfortune, they didn't hesitate. They gathered at his doorstep with sacks of rice, fish, and money. They understood that Rahim's problem was now their problem. Together they helped him survive. With tears in his eyes, Rahim said, "This is not just my village, this is my family." And those words echoed in my heart long after I left the village. I left the village with a heavy heart, knowing that I was leaving a part of myself behind. I carried with me the laughter of children, the aroma of spices, and most importantly, the spirit of unity and love. If you ask me what keeps this village alive, I would say it's the spirit of togetherness. It's the way each person values the other, the way they support each other through thick and thin. It's the feeling of belonging that makes this village more than just a place to live. It makes it a home. And if you ask me what I learned from this village, I would say it's the importance of simplicity, of living in harmony with nature and valuing the bonds of love and unity. Now, before we part ways, I want to leave you with some words of wisdom that I picked up during my time in the village. Life is not about accumulating riches, but about nurturing the richness of relationships. It's not about the size of your house, but the warmth of the love within it. It's not about the clothes you wear, but the kindness you show. True happiness is not found in the pursuit of wealth, but in the unity and simplicity of life. As you go about your own life, may these words resonate in your heart, reminding you of the beauty of simplicity, the importance of unity, and the richness of human connection. Thank you for joining me on this journey to the heart of Bangladesh. If you found this story insightful or enjoyable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your support means the world to me. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. By doing so, you'll not only get to watch more of my videos, but you'll also be supporting my work. Once again, thank you for watching. Until next time, stay curious, stay kind, and never stop exploring the wonders of our beautiful world.